Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring how to make your own character in Polybuzz, the cutting-edge character creation tool that's taking 2025 by storm. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who loves customization, this full guide will have you designing unique avatars in no time. Let's jump right in. First, download the Polybuzz app from your device's App Store. It's free and available for both iOS and Android, with a sleek interface that's easy to navigate. Once installed, open the app and create a new account. Simply enter your email, choose a username, set a secure password, and verify via email or SMS. Now that you're logged in, head to the Character Creator section. This is your virtual playground. Start by selecting a base model for your character. Polybuzz offers a wide range of options, from humanoids to fantastical creatures, so pick one that sparks your creativity. Next, dive into customization. Use the intuitive sliders to adjust physical features like height, build, and skin tone. Then, fine-tune facial details, eyes, hair, nose, and mouth, with thousands of presets and even AI-assisted suggestions that generate ideas based on trends from 2025. Don't stop there. Add clothing and accessories from Polybuzz's extensive library, which includes everything from streetwear to sci-fi gear. You can mix and match colors, patterns, and styles to make your character truly one of a kind. Finally, assign attributes like skills, personality traits, or backstories if the platform supports it. Once you're happy, hit the save button, and your character is ready to export for use in games, social media, or virtual worlds. There you have it. A complete guide to creating your character in Polybuzz. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below with your creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.